Hi, in this video we will talk about that start using castor oil before bed, and this will happen. Start using castor oil before bed refers to the practice of applying castor oil to your hair, skin, or other areas of the body before going to sleep at night. This practice takes advantage of the overnight hours when the body is in a state of rest and repair to maximize the benefits of castor oil. When used before bed, castor oil can deeply penetrate the skin or hair follicles, providing nourishment, hydration, and other therapeutic effects. Castor oil to the scalp before bed can help moisturize the scalp, stimulate hair growth, and improve the overall health of the hair. Similarly, applying it to the skin before bed can help hydrate and soften the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Number 1, hair growth stimulant. When used as a hair growth stimulant before bed, the results are nothing short of miraculous. What happens when you incorporate this simple yet powerful ritual into your nightly routine? Castor oil is packed with essential nutrients that nourish the scalp and stimulate hair follicles, promoting faster and healthier hair growth. Castor oil seals moisture into the hair shaft, taming unruly strands and enhancing shine for a salon-worthy finish. Number 2, moisturizes scalp. When used before bed, this natural elixir works wonders to moisturize and nourish your scalp, leading to a cascade of benefits. Castor oil's deeply moisturizing properties penetrate the scalp and irritation while hydrating parched skin. Number 3, conditions hair. When used as a hair conditioner before hitting the pillow, castor oil works wonders to nourish, hydrate, and revitalize your locks. Happens when you start conditioning your hair with castor oil before bed. Number 4, thickens eyelashes and eyebrows. Regular application of castor oil to the lashes and brows can help promote the growth of longer, thicker hairs, giving you a naturally fuller. When used before bed, this natural elixir works wonders to nourish and strengthen your lashes and brows, leading to stunning results. Number 5, skin hydration. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and alleviate conditions like acne, eczema, and dermatitis. Castor oil is a natural healer, promoting skin regeneration and repair. Number 6, acne treatment. When used before bed, this natural elixir works wonders as an acne treatment, helping to clear blemishes and restore your skin's natural. Castor oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce acne and soothe inflamed skin. Number 7, scar reduction. Castor oil's rich concentration of fatty acids penetrates deep into the skin, promoting tissue regeneration and encouraging the gradual fading of scars over time. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin, reducing redness and inflammation. Number 8, anti-aging effects. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, the main culprits behind premature aging. Application helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, leaving your skin smoother and more youthful. Number 9, nail strengthener. Healthy nails start at the nail bed, and castor oil nourishes them from the root. By penetrating deep into the nail bed, it strengthens the matrix. The area where new nail cells are formed, resulting in stronger, more resilient nails. Number 10. Laxative effect. When used before bed, this age-old remedy works wonders to promote bowel movements and ease. Castor oil acts as a powerful laxative, stimulating the muscles of the intestines and promoting bowel movements within hours of ingestion. Number 11. Joint pain relief. Proper blood flow is essential for joint health, and castor oil helps improve circulation by stimulating blood flow to the affected areas. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to the joints, promoting healing and reducing pain and stiffness. Number 12. Fights fungal infections. Castor oil promotes skin regeneration and repair, helping to heal fungal infections more quickly and effectively. Its nourishing properties provide essential nutrients to the skin, supporting the body's natural healing process and restoring skin health.